If you're tired of seeing that frustrating DNS probe finished bad config error on Chrome every time you try to browse the internet, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to fix this error with a series of easy, methodical steps so you can get back online without headaches. Let's waste no time and jump right in with some basic troubleshooting. First, it's always worth starting with your router and computer. Unplug your router from the power. Don't just press a button, but actually pull the cord out and give it a full 60 seconds before plugging it back in. This little pause allows the memory in your router to clear, which can sometimes flush out small glitches or conflicts causing DNS errors. At the same time, go ahead and restart your computer. Why both? Well, your device and your network equipment can hit strange hiccups, and restarting them is like giving your tech a fresh start. Sometimes, this alone can fix the problem, and if not, at least we know we've cleared the simplest hurdles. Next, let's tidy up Chrome itself. Clearing your browser cache helps remove any old, corrupted files that might be contributing to the error. Head into Chrome's settings, find Clear Browsing Data, and when you get to the time range option, select All Time. Just to be thorough, check off all the boxes, including cached images, cookies, and browsing history. A quick tap of Clear Data, and Chrome will wipe the slate clean. Think of it like dusting your shelves. Sometimes, the buildup is invisible, but clearing it out can make a world of difference for your browser's functionality. Now, sometimes your security software can get a little overprotective. Antivirus or firewall programs might block certain connections, thinking they're a threat. To check if this is the culprit, temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall, just for a few minutes, and try reloading the page. If the error disappears, you've found your issue. Of course, don't forget to re-enable your protection afterwards. It's a bit like taking off your raincoat just to see if it's causing you to overheat. You wouldn't want to stay unprotected for long. Another potential trouble spot is your Chrome extensions. Extensions like ad blockers or search helpers sometimes interfere with DNS requests. To test this, disable your extensions one by one or simply open an incognito window where extensions are off by default and try your browsing again. If everything works in incognito, you'll know the problem is with an extension. It's a good habit to occasionally review what's installed. Like cleaning out your garage, you might discover something you've forgotten is even there. If those steps haven't solved it, let's move to a slightly more advanced solution, using Command Prompt on Windows to refresh your network settings. Right-click on your Start menu and select Command Prompt, Admin, or Windows PowerShell, Admin. This ensures you have the necessary privileges. Then, go ahead and enter the following commands, one at a time, pressing Enter after each. First, ipconfig/release disconnects your computer from its current IP address. Next, ipconfig/renew asks the network for a new IP, like getting a fresh pass to connect. After that, ipconfig/dns wipes out old DNS entries, clearing out any data that might be misdirecting Chrome. netch-winsock reset and netch-int-ip reset deeper network settings that often underlie stubborn connection errors. Once you've run all these, take a moment to restart your computer to make sure all the changes lock in place. If you've ever rebooted after a big update, you know how important that final step can be. And there you have it, your step-by-step guide to fixing the DNS probe finished bad config error in Chrome. If this video helped you, please hit that like button. And if you still have questions, leave a comment below. I'd love to help out further. And don't forget to subscribe for more handy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.